On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how the training and logins work. Currently, all of these are playable only if a user logs in. That is just the way the system works. However, I did upload some of these on YouTube. So if they are available on YouTube, I added a trailer. This technically is the full video. It's not the trailer. Ideally, you want to cut this up and have a trailer. So then it forces the person to basically register because that would be the tease. I'm going to log in right now as a user. So I logged in as Joe. Joe is just a fake person that I created. This is my email login. I'm just going to log out, show you some functionalities here. So let me sign in. My password. So from here, I can click events and courses, for example, and then this will take me. Note right here it says bot right here, but for this one it says free, paid, free. So if I actually bought a course, then it would mark it as bought. So that way when I press on this, it would direct me to start the course.
Okay, welcome everybody.
And right away it knows that I bought it. And these courses are free, so the user doesn't actually have to buy anything. They just have to go and click it twice. So if I wanted to, for example, get this one, Top Realtors Unplugged. This is the full video, but of course, it's not always going to be there. I would click watch this course, saying, because I'm logged in, it's basically saying how many tickets do I want. So I press book tickets, and because it's a free course, it proceeds to already complete the payment. Okay. So now if I were to go back to training and I look for Bruce, then it would say bought. So then when I click it, I would now have start course, and then this would play the. I didn't edit this one. I just uploaded these.
Always
made them work.
help me with.
This also works with this. So play video here, or you play this. It just restarts the course from the very beginning. If we broke down the video in several sections, then I would mark them up here by having scenes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then when you click on it, it would display an outline of each video to show you what it is. That way, the user doesn't have to watch the entire hour and a half. They can only skip to the section that they actually like. Now let's log out and create a new login so you can see how any agent would do this. So if an agent wants to access all these videos right now, more than likely we probably want to have them sign up. So we'll go sign in, or actually let me go to training because it's going to display a message asking a person to log in. So let's say I want to access right here, Google Ads and keywords, right? Watch this course. It looks like you're not logged in. Create a free account or log in. We're going to register. So we're going to call this mark@mark.com. Oh, sorry, first name, Mark. You got mark@mark.com. Mark, make this simple. Mark will be the password. Now, there is terms of use here. You probably want to have this updated. This is just the default standard terms of use. But again, depending on your policies, which I don't think they should change, that's where it is. Create an account. Second step is for the person to provide their information. This is also linked with an e-store. So if we want to sell these courses or any other course or somebody else's courses, if we have permission, then we would need this user's information. So again, a person can skip this, but we're not telling them that they can. So we'll just go continue because we don't need mailing address to buy digital courses. So now if I ever wanted to change this information, I just go into my profile. I can change my update and billing information in here. So this is really important for the store, but there's no store, so we don't have to worry about that. Order history displays anything that I would have bought through the store or through the training section. Okay, and manage newspapers, that's for newsletter. We haven't really gotten that, so we're not going to worry about that. And now let's go under training and let's go buy the course. So again, let's say I actually uploaded the new course, so let's search for it. This one here, but we're going to go and say Google Ads. Let's do the first one. Watch this course. Now, instead of asking me to log in, it's asking me to book a ticket. So I'm going to book a ticket because I only need one. Right away, I get my receipt. This is the information that I inputted on the actual admin of that um, of this specific course. So I can click on here, and it will take me right to the course. And now it says start course, and then now
Okay,
it will actually
welcome
show the
everybody.
course, and then the user can skip on this. Now this video is only embeddable on this specific domain name, Join Summit or Sutton Summit. So if somebody wants to go to rip this and embed it on their website, it will not let them. That's just the way Vimeo and this website was built. This also
Okay, welcome.
applies it. Now if we go under training again, and now we do a search, now we're gonna see that it should say bot. There it is, bot. Okay, so that's how a user can access all the training sections on here. So as we add this, the user will be able to essentially just click, watch this course, book a ticket, and then they can just, again, go back to the training, or they can go under their purchases, and then anything that they purchased right here, bought, they can access and actually watch.
Hit record. We're going to make sure we record.
And then as I update the videos, which are located right here on Vimeo, right? If I were to update this, because I would have cut it, or somebody else can cut it, they can just come into the settings, and then they can edit the thumbnails in here, or they can upload the edited version right at the bottom where it says replace video. That way, none of this information that we've done here and on the website is going to change. The only thing it's going to change is going to load a different video, but it's going to maintain that same URL, which you cannot do with YouTube. With YouTube, if you want to upload a different version of the video, you cannot replace a video. You have to go delete that video, and then if you would have shared that URL somewhere, then everything is going to get screwed up. So that's the little tidbit on the registration and how this works.